Hi, I'm Tabi Daukubong from Decor Interiors. My style is luxurious, yet functional. When it comes to finding decor treasures, you'll find me trawling the aisles at builders. Creating a balance of natural and electrical light in our homes is a good way to be conscious and thinking sustainability. If we're not fortunate enough to make use of our large open windows, skylights and sliding doors, how else do we brighten up our interior without resorting to fluorescent lighting?
Well, luckily, Builders has done all the necessary research and have come up with a beautiful collection of lighting to suit everyone's personal style. And what I particularly love is bringing in a touch of nature indoors, with the use of finishes such as rattan pendants and the exposed globe light fittings, where your interior is guaranteed maximum light and a fresh feel. Lighting transforms a space and adds an ambiance. Whether it's outdoor entertaining late at night or burning the midnight oil at your desk, the large selection has you covered. And if you want to be more stylish and edgy, well, Builders has just the fittings for you too, with their fabric and plastic woven pendants that truly look like an architectural masterpiece. Be sure to check out Builders' glass and crystal ceiling fittings, bringing in that much needed chic sparkle to brighten your interior.
Oh, but wait, there's always so much more to explore and discover at Builders. And just when you think you've seen it all, you're always pleasantly surprised by the additional extras,
such as the filament range of beautiful glass designs that can add a level of class and sophistication to an entrance or over a dining table. Feeling creative? With a range of globes, cups and cords available at Builders, you can now build your own unique chandelier, giving you a designer touch of lighting goodness.
For more great decor tips and trends, go to the Builders blog and get inspired.